How to leave a Life360 circle. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from AppGuide, and in today's video I'll simply show you how you can leave a Life360 circle if you are a part of a specific family group. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you would like to leave a family circle on Life360, it's very simple. You have to go in and first launch the Life360 application. Once you launch the Life360 application, right over here you can see this kind of interface. Now what you want to do is right over here you have first select the circle that you want to leave. So from the very top you can see multiple circles that you are a member of. Just go ahead and make sure you're on the right circle that you want to leave. After you select the circle, you have to tap on the gear icon on the top left hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the gear icon right over here, you'll be able to see multiple options, and what you need to do is you have to go to the one that's a circle management. And once you go to circle management, scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and here you'll find the option that says delete circle or leave circle. So you just need to tap on the leave circle option, and here you'll say that you will no longer see or share locations with the circle. Are you sure that you want to leave? So you just need to tap on the yes button to leave the specific circle, and that's all it takes to leave a Life360 circle. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.